Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to retrieve deleted photos on your Android smartphone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for photo recovery, file recovery. Now click on this option. Here you can see the option of photo recovery, file recovery. You have to press on this. Now open this app. Now select your language. Press on next. Next. Press on start. Here you can see the option of recover photos. Click on this. If you want to retrieve your deleted photos, you just have to press on this scan option. If you scan it, you'll find your deleted photos. From there, you just have to select your photo to retrieve. That's it. So this is how to retrieve deleted photos on your Android smartphone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.